Good day, viewers, and you are welcome. How do you solve this functional equation problem? The question is f of x squared plus 1 over x squared equals x plus 1 divided by x. Have you spotted the answer? Then pause this video and drop it in the comment box. So we have this domain as squared, and why the output here is having just 1 as a power. First is every single x here is not equals 0. So that is the first thing we have to understand to have a defined function. And after getting this, let's start from where we have x plus 1 over x. Suppose I take the square of this. By squaring this, we are going to have x plus 1 over x, then multiply by x plus 1 over x. So we want to multiply this together. This is how to do it. We take x and we multiply it with x plus 1 over x. And also we take 1 over x and multiply it with x plus 1 over x. So x multiplied by x gives us x squared plus x multiplied by 1 over x, that is x over x, plus 1 over x multiplied by x, that gives us x over x, plus 1 over x multiplied by 1 over x gives us 1 over x squared. Then we have x squared plus x over x cancelled. We have 1 plus this also cancelled, that gives us 1, plus 1 divided by x squared. So here we have x squared plus 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus 1 over x squared, if this is what we have. But let's recall from above that where we have x plus 1 over x and we take the square of it, the resulting value is x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. And then if I pair x squared plus 1 over x together, then we are going to bring this together as we have x plus 1 over x squared equals, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared. We put this together, then plus 2. Now if I make x squared plus 1 over x squared the subject of the formula, we then have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals x plus 1 over x raised to power 2 minus 2. So the next step for me to do is I'm going to replace this. So if I replace this from the given questions, let's say initially if I let our u to be equals x plus 1 divided by x, okay, and I take the square of both sides, so this will mean that for every x squared plus 1 over x squared, from here we are going to have u squared minus 2. So therefore, in the original function f of x squared plus 1 over x squared, it becomes u squared minus 2 equals, and x plus 1 over x will give us u. If this is the new function that we got. Again, let's try to resubstitute this and it will be in terms of x. If I let x to be equals u squared minus 2, I will make u the subject of the formula. And note that this can also be written as u squared minus 2 equals x. Let's take 2 to other side, as we have u squared equals x plus 2. So by taking the square root of both sides, we have u equals plus or minus square root of x plus 2. But here we are considering only the positive part. So we have u equals the square root of x plus 2. This is what we are going to consider. Therefore, for every f of x, this will give us the square root of x plus 2. So here is the final answer to this problem. But before the final conclusion of this, let's try to check if the answer we got satisfies the given question. Let's substitute back. So since from the original problem we have f of x squared plus 1 over x squared, and here we have x. So if I replace every single x with x squared plus 1 over x squared, we have this as the square root of x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. But the square root of x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2, this is the same thing as when we have x plus 1 over x all raised to power of 2. If this is cleared, so we have this equals, if you have square root of x plus 1 over x squared, is like the absolute of x plus 1 divided by x. Then this is positive everywhere, and therefore we have f of x squared plus 1 over x squared. This gives us x plus 1 divided by x, just as we got the original questions that is given to us. This shows that f of x equals square root of x plus 2 satisfies this problem. This is how I solve this step by step. How do you solve your own? Is it different from this? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.